Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm back at the May Creek Trail again. This is actually my third time here now because I came here last time. I just haven't edited the video yet. So traffic noise. This time I'm going to be hiking out to the lake. I already hiked down to the bridge, which will be up before this one. But yeah, we're going to do it. We got some fall colors. I've never been to this lake before, so I have no idea what it's like, what it's about. No idea if I'm hoping there's a covered picnic table because I got lunch planned, but if it falls short, I got a backup plan, which means I'm gonna go get something. But let's get to it. Looks like we have a couple horses. I did not know that. I didn't see them at first. Very cool. Hey, buddy. What a long face. So far this trail's been nothing but uphill, which is fine. Get my exercise, but also coming back will be a breeze. It's only, according to the sign back there, it's only 0.4 to the lake, so we'll just see what happens. Man, that traffic noise is obnoxious. Oh, what are you gonna do about it though? I'm sure there's audio equipment to cut all that out, but I don't have anything like that. So not seeing a lot of fall colors. Well, I guess I passed some. Might see some leaves falling. So I like the tripod, but it's carrying it's kind of a drag. But I should have put it in my pack when I was at the car. Looks like a gate up ahead. I might stop at the gate and stow the tripod away. Didn't expect there to be street crossings, but It's all good. Yeah. Big old maple tree here. Well, there's some fall colors. Tree in the distance. There's like a few more tucked over there. Okay, well, I didn't see it at first. Nice big paper birch tree right next to these people's house. Ooh, and a down limb. Resources. So I couldn't reach the bark without pulling myself and reaching over the fence, and I'm not going to do that. Fortunately, I know where some other birch trees are, so there's that limb down there. On my way back, I might stop and scope it. Okay, so I think right through there is the lake. But as you can see, we have much more trail to go, so I think I'm going to do is I'm going to keep hiking. And I did see a covered picnic table. So I think I'm going to continue with the hike. Get a few extra steps in. Then I'll head back and check out the lake. And then I'll do lunch. And then literally it's just a hop, skip, and a jump back to the car. So, yeah. I think that'll work. I think that'll be the plan. Been sitting around. Basically, I didn't do jack this weekend. Friday, I went and shot a local eats video. And then Saturday, which was yesterday, I only went to the store and came home, and the rest of the time was spent sitting on the computer. There's the park. That's probably where I'm going to go into the park from here. But I just want to keep going a little bit and see what's up here. One, for curiosity's sake, but two, I'll get extra steps in. Anyway, I basically just sat home watching YouTube and playing games, or playing my game all day. I didn't hardly get out at all except for the run to the store. So today I'll get a little exercise. I guess it'll be short because right there is I can see the gate. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this may not be a very long hike at all. unless it crosses over again. But that might be another time. Because I can park over on this side too, or I can park at the lake and simply come up here and go from there. So we'll see how it goes. We got some fall colors going. A little patch of woods, which I appreciate. Alright, I think today's goal will be walk down to the end, and then we'll turn around and go back to the lake. Yeah. Let's see. Show of hands. All opposed? Well, I guess that's unanimous. Because I can always come back next time. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know. It almost looks like a game trail cutting up. Then it follows the fence line. That might be something worth looking into. It probably doesn't really go anywhere. It's probably one of those deals where it's just a green belt between homes. See, and this is all fenced off. So I have no idea what's up there. But that's alright though, because I can always open up Google Maps when I get home. And then scope it out with Google Maps. See what it is. Could be a school, could be a business, it could be watershed, something like that. Who knows? But well, I see I don't know if you guys see that. I see a sign right there, like a billboard. It could be a hiking trail. Ooh. Perhaps it's another hike I can come check out. As long as I get a good place to park my car, I can add it to the list and just work my way around the area. Oh, here we go. So we're on the Waterline Trail. So to go back to the street, it's 0.6. So good to know. So we were at Boren Lake, only 1.1. So first we'll do the. There we go. I was just watching Chris Bentley and Dan Cunningham today, and they were doing that with the Ethels. I think I'm saying it right. Cool channels. Hazelwood Park, 0.7 miles. That might be an option someday. So Trailhead 0.3. So the May Creek Park 0.6, that puts me at well, 1.2 plus whatever I walk around the lake with. But I want to go check out this little area first and see what it is, because I saw two people walk up. So if it's another hiking area, then I can add that to the list, and no matter how crummy the weather is. What we got? Oh, interesting. It is the Newcastle Cemetery. Newcastle Historic Cemetery. But it's all fenced off, so, and chained. And I'm too fat to jump the fence. It also would be really uncool. I could have sworn I saw two ladies go walking in. I thought there was an opening in the fence. being as it's a historical cemetery, I'd be actually kind of curious to see what it's like. It's probably just right up that hill. I don't know how you get in there, or if they even open it for public. Morning. I'm not jumping a fence. That would be, well, it would be really disrespectful. And in quite honesty, it'd probably be one of those. Actually, I saw a picture on Reddit where a guy was trying to jump over one of those fences with the spike sticking up, and he jumped through, and he impaled his bollocks. I'm not gonna post the picture because it would look gnarly. So Business Center 0.5, which I have no idea what that is. Boren Lake Trail 0.1. So we've added 0.1 to our 1 point. So we're at 0.3 to get back. It's funny, the guy was walking his kid. I think he saw him with the camera and U-turned. I'm not nuts. Oh, here's a sign from Newcastle Cemetery. I don't know where that goes. Maybe there's a walk-in point somewhere. Let's see. I'm probably running this quite a lot, but behind the steep entry, lock gate, and chain link fence lies the historic Newcastle Cemetery, established in 1879. Wow. Death did me short warning. Give, therefore, be careful how you live. Prepare in time. Do not delay. For I was quickly called away. I like that, actually. Alright, so basically I asked the lady who's walking by, and they open it on major holidays. But I guess you can just call the city, and they'll just come and open it for you for a couple days. You want to go do a tour, so then we might do that. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. But I was looking at this again, it's really worded weird. Death did to me short warning give. Therefore, be careful how we live, therefore, be careful how you live. Prepare in time, do not delay, for I am quickly called away. The short warning give, that threw me off. It was worded kind of strange, but hey, whatever. So let's head back to the lake. We'll go walk around the lake, and then we'll see about some lunch.